Hello guys, this is Generation Rebel. In this video I'll be showing you how to find your Android device if it's lost or if it's stolen. First of all, I need to remind you that if you want your device to be safe, make sure that its location is turned on and that it has connection to the internet, and that you're also signed in to your Google on your device. Here we have Google Find My Device. It is a pre-installed application usually found in many phones, in Android phones. And if you click into this app, you'll see that you can have the Find My Device option. You can choose whether your phone that you're using right now, or the other phone that you may have lost. Because if it's this device, if you click on it, you actually don't see any options over here. You just can change the name or whatever, help and feedback, because you don't need to find the device that you're currently using. But for example, this Galaxy S22 Ultra right here, you lost it. Now you have the options to see the location or the directions of your phone. That is why I told you to make sure your app, when you're going outside, have your location turned on, make sure it's connected to the internet, so whenever someone stole it from you, you can locate the location of your phone if possible. But in some cases where you just lost your phone at home, you can just click on the play sound, hopefully that you just lost it at home, because it just start ringing, play a ringtone, and you might be able to record it, fortunately. And that is how convenient the Find My Device app made by Google is for your phone. I advise that you take advantage of this fact and follow the instructions that I've said to keep your phone safe and make sure you don't lose it. This is Generation Rebel. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if you did. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Take care.